Namaste and welcome to the episode 4 of the podcast by Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga on International Day of Yoga 2025. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting and meaningful. How to prepare for the big day, that is, 21st June 2025. Let's start with the basics. The International Day of Yoga, or IDY, isn't just a date on the calendar. It's a celebration of one of India's greatest gifts to the world, yoga. Observed every year on June 21st, the longest day of the year, this date was chosen to reflect the symbolic power of the summer solstice, a time of energy, renewal, and reflection. The idea was first proposed by our Prime Minister in 2014 at the United Nations General Assembly. What followed was historic. In just 75 days, 175 nations adopted the resolution, a record. Since 2015, IDY has been celebrated in over 190 countries, uniting millions in the spirit of health, mindfulness, and harmony.
Millions of people with a common consciousness and consensus, millions of people with inner peace will create an environment of global peace. That's how yoga can connect the people. That's how yoga can connect the countries. And that's how yoga can become a problem solver for all of us.
But what does it really mean to participate in IDY? Is it just about doing yoga for one day, or is it something more than that? That's exactly what we're exploring today. How to prepare for IDY 2025. How different sections of society can get involved, why training is so essential, and what makes the common yoga protocol so special. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned practitioner, this episode will help you make your IDY experience truly meaningful. Preparing for IDY isn't just about showing up on June 21st. It starts weeks in advance with awareness, training, community engagement, and a bit of soul searching. The Ministry of Ayush, which coordinates IDY globally, has created a roadmap that invites everyone, individuals, organizations, and communities, to be part of this movement. At the heart of it all is the Common Yoga Protocol, or CYP. This is a 45-minute yoga routine designed by leading experts in India. It's simple enough for beginners, yet enriching for all. The idea is to have millions of people across the world perform this routine together from 7 to 7:45 a.m. on June 21st alongside the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. And this isn't just symbolic, the impact has been real. Many who tried yoga for the first time through the CYP have gone on to make it a part of their daily lives. It's more than a practice, it's a doorway to long-term well-being. It is also a shared act of intention, presence, and well-being. So how do you prepare? The recommendation is to start training on at least 10 days before IDY. You can access free video tutorials on the Ministry of Ayush's YouTube channel, their official yoga portal, or through sessions by the Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. These are available in Hindi, English, and over 21 regional languages, making it accessible for everyone. Or you can join local groups, which are active in most localities, who arrange for CYP training ahead of IDY. And it's not just about individuals. One of the most beautiful aspects of IDY is how it brings people together in the weeks leading up to the IDY. Schools, colleges, and universities are encouraged to host yoga sessions, not just for students and staff, but also for families, alumni, and the wider community. Workshops, yoga-themed quizzes, essay contests, it's all part of the celebration. Many institutions are even adopting parks or open spaces to host these sessions, often in collaboration with NGOs and wellness groups. Speaking of NGOs, their role is transformative. Many work with the elderly, specially abled individuals, children in rural areas, and people recovering from trauma or addiction. Through the Yoga Samavesh initiative, NGOs and yoga institutions are conducting 10-day training programs using customized protocols for these communities, making yoga more inclusive and impactful. And let's not forget, every citizen can be part of this. So here's our call to action. Do not wait any further. Join a community session in your local park, organize a small gathering in your apartment complex, or simply follow the national broadcast from your living room. By doing so, you're contributing to something global. You are becoming a part of a time-tested movement, and on June 21st, 2025 at 7 a.m., you become part of a historic movement.
मैं स्वयं भी 21 जून को आंध्र के लोगों के साथ योग करूंगा और दुनिया का एक कार्यक्रम यहां पर होगा। इस कार्यक्रम का महत्व इसलिए भी है कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस का 10 साल की यात्रा का ये 10वीं साल का महत्वपूर्ण पड़ाव है। पूरे विश्व में योग के प्रति एक आकर्षण है। इस बार पूरी दुनिया 21 जून को आंध्र की तरफ देखेगी।
For this enriching experience, finding the right space is also key. Ideally, it should be open, airy, and spacious. Many local parks are being transformed into yoga parks, which will be wellness hubs that will continue to serve communities even after June 21st. If your local municipality is upgrading a park, you can get involved and help make it yoga friendly, not just for one day, but for every day. And if you're organizing an event, don't forget to register on the Yog Sangam platform. That is yog.ayush.gov.in/yog-sangam. Whether you're an NGO, a company, or a community group, once you register, your event becomes part of the national map of yoga celebrations. Plus, you'll receive a certificate from the Ministry of Ayush for your contribution. At its core, IDY is a celebration of oneness with ourselves, with nature, and with each other. Yoga, rooted in mindfulness, harmony, and non-violence, offers a powerful way to restore balance in our often chaotic lives. By preparing sincerely, involving others, and practicing consciously, we're not just celebrating yoga, we're becoming part of a peaceful, purposeful, and much needed global movement. So, whether you're just unrolling your mat for the first time or you've been practicing for years, IDY 2025 invites you to be a part of something beautiful. Let's move, breathe, and grow together.